Next section, determinants of personality. Man is not born a person at birth. He is an infant, passing the personality of become a person. After birth, he associates with other human beings and comes under the influence of their culture. As a result of variety of experiences and social influences, he becomes a person and comes to a personality. Personality is a result of the combination of four factors: physical environment, heredity, culture and experiences. Geographical environment sometimes determines cultural variability. The people of mountain as well as deserts are usually bold, hard and powerful. However, physical conditions are more permissive and limited factors than causative factors. They set the limits within which personality can develop. Heredity is another factor determining human personality. The important factor: 1. Brain factor. It is generally believed that the factor and the child adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation, and the later differences are the result of the environment in which the child has been grown up. Look at these brain factors. Second, biological factors. Physical factors such as genetics, hormonal and sexual. The nerve system affects the intelligence and talents of the individual. The hormones affect the growth of personality. Too many or too less of hormones are harmful. Some mans are over-patient, overactive and overexcited, while others are lazy, inactive and weak. The reason may be secretion of more hormones in the first case and less hormone in the later case. For a normal personality, there should be a balanced secretion of hormones. 3. Personality and environment. Physical means non-living things such as geographical factors, climate, heat or cold. Above we described the influence of physical environment on culture and point out that geographical environment sometimes. The people of mountain as well as deserts are usually bold, hard and powerful. The effects of physical environment on man's attitudes and mental makeup is very executive. Physical environment, biological environment, social environment, psychological environment. 5. Physical environment. The part of human environment that include purely physical factors. Physical means non-living things such as geographical factors, climate, heat, cold. A clean, healthy environment is important for people's physical and emotional well-being and personality. Look at this physical environment. 6 psychological factors including attention, perception, cognition, learning, thinking, self-concept, intelligence directly influence the personality development. 7 physical characteristics. The physical features may involve height of a person, short or tall, his color, white or black, his health status, fat or skinny, his beauty, handsome or ugly. Look at this picture. These common needs and capacities explain some of our similarities in personality. A man with a good physical structure and health generally possesses an attractive personality. A man of poor health, big size and ugly physical features develops inferiority complex. 8 social factors: relationships, coordination, cooperation, interaction, environment in the family, social organizations, workplaces, communities also involved to determine personality. 9 hereditary and personality. Heredity is another factor determine human personality. Some of these similarities in man's personality are said to be due to his common heredity. Every human group inhabits the same general set of biological needs and capacities. 10 religious factors. Traditional practices, norms, customs, procedures, rules and regulations, values, belief, and religious practices directly impact on personality. 11 personality and culture. There can be little doubt that culture largely determines the types of personality that will predominate in the particular group. According to some thinkers, personality is the subjective aspect of culture. They regard personality and culture as two sides of same coin. The development of personality and the acquisition of culture are not different process, but one and the same learning process. Personality is an individual aspect of culture, while culture is a collective aspect of personality. Each culture produces its special type or types of personality. 12 heredity factor. Genes, chromosome, DNA, RNA, genetic characteristics transfer from parent to child. Gene factors. 13 family factors, including types of family, culture of family, structure of family, relationship in family, members of family, directly influence the personality of a person. Look at this different family environment. Situational factors. Different circumstances or different situations. It also influences to personality of individual person. Thank you. Have a good day.